Imagine waving goodbye to those pesky weeds invading your yard without resorting to harsh chemicals, a dream come true for any eco-conscious gardener. But here's where it gets intriguing. What if the secret weapon was something as ordinary as cardboard boxes you already have at home? Stay tuned as we dive into this clever hack that's sparking buzz online and could transform your gardening game forever. Photo credit, iStock. Banishing weeds with everyday cardboard. Struggling to keep your lawn free of weeds can feel like an uphill battle, particularly when you're committed to steering clear of pesticides loaded with chemicals that might harm the environment. Yet, a brilliant strategy posted on their /gardening subreddit, https://www.reddit.com/r/gardening/comments/1cl3p2l/ trying cardboard weed barrier method, introduces an eco-friendly weed suppressor that's likely gathering dust in your own home. Trying cardboard weed barrier method, the original poster shared, complete with a snapshot of their yard. Crafting a weed barrier from flattened cardboard boxes, https://www.thecooldown.com/green-home/cardboard-weeds-trees-instagram-sustainable, is remarkably straightforward and highly effective. Just pick a spot in your yard, lay down sheets of cardboard, add a top layer of mulch, and then plant whatever you fancy atop it. The poster chose straw for their mulch, which adds an extra layer of simplicity. Switch to T-Mobile in just 15 minutes, and get a free phone with no trade-in needed. The era of compromises is over. With T-Mobile, https://go.linkbuy.com/segmifeep, getting a brand new phone is finally simple, and it only takes 15 minutes. https://go.linkbuy.com/segmifeep, per line to switch over. With Easy Switch, you'll get customized insights and recommendations about what plan is right for you. Plus, once you make the switch, your new phone is eligible for same-day delivery. Learn more, https://go.linkbuy.com/segmifeep. Last year, I only used straw and ended up with loads of weeds, they recounted. This year, I'm layering cardboard underneath straw. Fingers crossed it works better. If you're worried about adhesives or inks in the cardboard potentially harming your plants, opt for plain brown cardboard. Most inks break down naturally, but glossy or wax varieties won't decompose in the soil. And this is the part most people miss, understanding why this method works so well. The cardboard blocks sunlight from reaching weed seeds, effectively smothering them while it gradually decomposes, enriching the soil. For beginners, think of it as creating a natural blanket that starves weeds of their essential light and nutrients, much like how covering a seed prevents sprouting. Why this hack is a game changer? Employing this weed-suppressing technique isn't just budget-friendly, it also ensures your garden remains vibrant and beautiful without leaning on damaging chemicals. http://guide.thecooldown.com/action/control-weeds-without-chemicals. Gardening and cultivating your own produce. http://guide.thecooldown.com/step/grow-your-own-food/r/rexcwkp0pcjjn8g30 provide wonderful opportunities for relaxation, backed by research highlighting their mental and physical health advantages. https://www.thecooldown.com/outdoors/prescribed-activities-nature-mental-health-garden. Imagine cutting down on grocery costs by growing your own fruits and vegetables, and many swear that homegrown items taste far superior. As an example, a simple tomato plant in your backyard can yield fresher, more flavorful harvests than store-bought ones, giving you a sense of accomplishment and savings. TCD Picks Dirty Labs. Lightbulb Dirty Labs makes it easy and affordable to clean your stuff without harsh chemicals. But here's where it gets controversial: is this truly the best way to garden sustainably? Some argue that while cardboard is biodegradable, over-reliance on non-plant materials could disrupt soil ecosystems if not managed carefully. Others point out that growing your own food might not always be more green if it leads to overfertilizing or water waste. What do you think? Does this method outweigh potential drawbacks? Beyond personal perks, nurturing your own crops can significantly benefit the planet. Rather than consuming food that's mass-produced, transported from far-off places, and encased in plastic, https://www.thecooldown.com/green-business/food-lion-garlic-packaging-plastic-waste, enjoying homegrown options is undeniably more environmentally friendly. For instance, a local vegetable patch reduces carbon emissions from shipping and minimizes plastic waste, making your garden a small but impactful step towards sustainability. Community reactions and insights. While a few Reddit users caution against straw because it might introduce weed seeds and promote unwanted growth, the majority reported success with the cardboard approach, and many expressed eagerness to give it a shot. "I should try this," one user remarked. https://www.reddit.com/comments/cl/comment/luciget/utm source equals share and utm medium equals webex and utm name equals webex css and utm term equals and utm content equals share. But clearly impressed by the poster's innovative trick, https://www.thecooldown.com/tech/hex. A native plant community garden where I volunteered used this exact method along the edges, under border stones, topped with wood chips. Another shared, https://www.reddit.com/gardening/comments/clpl/comments/lrqrsw/utm source equals share and utm medium equals webex and utm name equals webex css and utm term equals and utm content eq. It worked wonderfully. An experienced gardener chimed in, https://www.reddit.com/gardening/comments/clpl/comments/ltzbl/utm source equals share and utm medium equals webex and utm name equals webex css and utm term equals and utm content equals share, with their own success story. Great idea. I've been doing this for some time, and it really does the trick. Happy gardening to you! Moneybag Get TCD's free newsletters, https://www.thecooldown.com/newsletter/?UTM_source =req8xjwzbffcjgt, for easy tips to save more, waste less, and make smarter choices, and earn up to $5,000 toward clean upgrades in TCD's exclusive rewards club. https://links.thecooldown.com/rewards-club. Cool picks. What are your thoughts on this cardboard weed barrier? Do you agree it's a sustainable alternative to chemicals, or do you have reservations about its long-term effects on soil health? Share your experiences or disagreements in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.